My name's Rebecca Miller with Midwest Technical Institute, and I'm here today to present the MTI WQAD Score Standout of the Week to Maddox Anderson. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Now, Maddox, to start, for the record, if you could just go ahead and state your name, your high school, and your sport.
My name is Maddox Anderson. I go to Orion High School, and my sport's baseball.
Awesome. Okay, I just have a few questions for you. What's the biggest part about playing baseball?
Really the bonds you make with your teammates and growing together.
Okay, yeah. And what's your biggest motivator in life, both on and off the field?
Just being the best and dominating anything I do.
Great. What are your plans after high school, Maddox?
I don't really know what I'm going to do after high school. I just do whatever comes to me.
Okay. What's been your proudest moment on and off the field?
On the field was during wrestling season when I qualified for state during sectionals.
Awesome.
Yeah.
And how has being an athlete made you a better student and helped you grow as a person?
It's made me more disciplined in my life, both in the classroom and outside of the classroom, with my grades and other things like that.
Great. And last question for you. If you could give freshman athletes in your sport one piece of advice, what would it be?
Don't quit. Just don't be a quitter.
Yeah, that came easy to you. Well, congratulations again. I wish you the best of luck.
Thank you.